Alrighty. I think a little experimentation. I think I'm going to make a cup of mocha. And I was thinking about using a zip fire starter, but I couldn't see using the entire thing just to make. Just use the kettle. So I was thinking about just cutting it in half, which it sliced in half extremely easily. So, okay. Let's use half a zip fire starter. Alright. I'm going to make some mocha. Half a zip fire starter. Judging by the smoke, some of that wasn't very dry, but it's alright. It should still work out. I can send smoke signals. I'm letting it run real time so you can see how long it takes for it to boil. So it's been 4 minutes 25. Well, since I hit record, 4 minutes 25. And the whole thing was cold because I was able to pick up the base and dump out the ashes from the previous burn. So funny how the kettle kind of bounces while it's boiling. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's like it's pretty interesting kettle, I have to say. I'm actually liking it more than I thought I would. And we got a boil. Yeah, I guess I didn't need as much fuel in there as I thought. You know, Shane Coffee was right. So even though I don't have a campfire, I have like a little mini campfire. Cool. That's what, 6 minutes, 27 seconds? What, about 5.5, 6 minute burn? Sweet. Now it's pretty much the last of my stick pile. I could go break more, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna let this burn out. I guess I got a couple more laying around. That reminds me, I still got an IKEA stove I was gonna try to do. I should put that on my to-do list. Well, first I should make a to-do list and then write that down. I had a list of videos, I forgot where I put the notepad at. I probably buried under a big pile of useless junk mail. Nice. Nice. Oh, man, I love a fire. Alrighty, so I wanted to give some Kettle final thoughts. To be honest, I liked it more than I thought I was going to. I mean, not that I looked at it initially and I just thought, what a piece of crap. I mean, I was like, yeah, it's kind of cool. But, you know, I'd never used one, so my experience was, you know, I didn't have any experience. Look how dark it is inside. It's crazy. I've got some ideas with this, though. With these little grills, and with the other grill I have that could go on top, I'm thinking I could probably get some coals in here and have a few options to cook. So I'm just thinking of stuff I can cook with that. But there may be something down the road that I do with this. But overall, you know, no accessories. I do have a couple things that sit on top I might look into, but you know, I gotta say, I was actually quite impressed. So Kettle. Not too shabby. Yeah, it's not that heavy either. I have to get it on the scale and see what it weighs. But, you know, not too bad. So, thanks for watching.